everyone, welcome to my channel, and those of you all who don't know me, I am Zoya Sheikh, and you might know me from my Instagram maybe because I'm much more active there, and I do have Snapchat as well. Here's my ID and description में मैं दोनों accounts के link tag कर दूँगी. Since this is my first video, I was thinking I'll do a Q&A क्योंकि फिर आप सब लोग मुझे थोड़ा और better you'll get to know me, and plus all those of you who are new here you'll also get to know me. तो मैंने Instagram पर stories लगाई थी कि whatever you wanna ask me you can ask me. Let's start. I have my water with me since I'm gonna be answering so many questions. I'll get thirsty and all, and then I'll be too lazy to get up. तो फिर मैंने पानी रखा है साथ में. And since it's so hot outside and I'm wearing this thick, it's not even cotton, it's some weird material, and since I'm wearing this it's like thick, so I'm feeling more hot in this. Why I'm wearing this? Because it looks very cute and it's aesthetic, so why not? Okay, enough yapping. Now let's start with the questions. So the first question is 10th standard का percentage क्या है Zoya? I gave my boards literally last month. It's the 6th of April today. No, wait, 5th of April today. And you're asking me कि मेरा बोर्ड का रिजल्ट आया कि नहीं आया भी तो I'll let you guys know कि आया है रिजल्ट. Let me breathe. So you guys are asking me when is your birthday reel gonna be up? My birthday reel I still have to shoot. मेरा birthday 8th March को था, so it was during boards. तो obviously मैं shoot वगैरह नहीं कर पाई, but I will shoot this month. Maybe next weekend or anywhere near the next week or something, but I will do my birthday shoot and I will post stuff because my birthday is always special. So this year I had boards plus Ramzan bhi the, so I couldn't shoot anything, but yes, this month I'll definitely post. The next question is, what is your aim in life? I mean, which place you wish to see yourself in future as? See, if I'm being very realistic, so I just want a very peaceful and well-settled life, and I don't want to depend on anyone for anything. That is my ultimate and main goal, and I want to, like, whatever I'm gonna do, I want to be the best at it. And nobody is perfect, so I can't expect myself to be great at everything, but yes, I'm gonna try my best कि मैं सारी चीज़ें कर पाऊँ. But in general मुझे बस सुकून वाली ज़िंदगी चाहिए जिसमें कोई कलेश, कोई ड्रामा ना हो, and the people around me should be very loving and affectionate. That's all. Next question. Okay, why do you love cherry red a lot? Okay guys, by the way, cherry red is like my favorite color. Why it's my favorite color? Because it just is. Something about it is just so attractive, and it has been my favorite color since I was like 5 or 6 years old. So it has been my favorite color since. It's just so bold, like it resonates with my personality. I feel like that, and it's like bold and it gives a rich, expensive look, and it's perfect for like every occasion. In college, which subject you have taken? I'm a big fan of you. You are so cute and beautiful. Thank you. I love receiving compliments from girls. Like, it's the best thing ever. You being complimented by girls is so sweet. Okay, so her question is like, which subject I have taken. For those who know me, ये आपको बहुत बड़ा शॉक लगेगा जो मैं बोलने वाली हूँ, बिकॉज लाइक मेरे मॉम के चैनल पे, मेरे मॉम के रील्स पे आप सबने देखा है कि जोया साइंस करने वाली है. मतलब कि सबकी वही एक्सपेक्टेशन थी कि जोया इज गोना टेक साइंस, बट गाइज आई हैव टेकन कॉमर्स. Yeah, so my stream is commerce. I think it's a pretty cool stream, and plus the things that I have to do, I really need commerce in that. Commerce, accounts, eco, business studies, and English is compulsory. So these are my 5 subjects. I hope that answers your question. And ये सबका बहुत ज़्यादा क्यूरियोसिटी थी सबको कि जोया ने कौन सी स्ट्रीम पिक की है, because जोया was gonna do medical. My age, like I said, I'm 16 years old. मेरा birthday 8th March को आता है. I'm a 2009 girly. Which Pakistani drama you're currently watching? I used to watch so many Pakistani dramas with my mom, but मुझे अभी टाइम ही नहीं मिल रहा पाकिस्तानी ड्रामास देखने का, क्योंकि मेरी ज़िंदगी खुद एक ड्रामा बन चुकी है. मेरी ज़िंदगी में जितना ड्रामा होता है ना, आई कुड लिटरली स्टार्ट माई ओन सीरीज़. एनीवेज, सो करंटली तो मैं कोई ड्रामा नहीं देख रही. आई एम हंटिंग फॉर सम नाइस ड्रामाज, बट आई एम नॉट श्योर. तो वो भी सजेशंस दे देना कमेंट्स में, सो आई विल चेक आउट द ड्रामाज. बट द लास्ट ड्रामा दैट आई वॉच्ड वाज कभी मैं कभी तुम, बट इट्स अ रियली क्यूट ड्रामा, सो आई वॉच्ड दैट. Next is your height. गाइज मेरी बायोग्राफी क्यों लिख रहे हो? लिपस्टिक डू यू रेकमेंड? So my two favorite brands lipsticks के हैं are Maybelline and Rene. Maybelline की जो liquid matte lipsticks है, they're like long stay, and even if you drink water, or even if you have any cold drink or something, or even if you eat, it does not go away. It's that long stay, and वो बहुत time तक रहती है. Unless you take it off, it won't come off. So it's like a really good lipstick. And I use Rene. Rene की निकल जाती है, but it is long stay. It comes off after a really long time. But I use the two brands. I really love them. So I hope that answers your question. Just tell me, मेरे बाल अभी खराब है. Why? Because I took a shower like an hour ago and I air dried my hair, so they're wavy right now. But I have curtain bangs. I have curtain bangs and I have face framing layers. So that's my haircut. And yeah, if you wanna get a haircut like me, don't get it because it's very hard to manage. Next question. Do you have toxic friends? I believe everyone has toxic friends. It's just up to you how you treat them and how you handle them. But in my opinion, if you really want to be at peace and you wanna like have no drama in your life, then cut those toxic people off. I did have like a lot of toxic people in my life, but I did cut them off, and now I don't even look at them, but they still stalk me and hate on me, and it's a compliment for me, honestly, because I moved on. I get to be me and you still get to be you, and you're still watching me, so that's just ew. Okay, this is not a question, it's just something that I read and it really made me happy. Hey, my name is also Zoya and I like your personality. Genuinely guys, the best compliments that you could ever get are not based on your physical appearance. Whenever someone compliments my personality or my kindness or my sweetness towards them, it's literally the best compliment I've been ever given. Like physically ऐसा देख के तो सब compliment कर सकते हैं, but people who actually take the initiative to get to know you and then they compliment you based on what's on the inside, it really touches my heart. So I really love that. So whenever someone compliments me about what's in the inside, I genuinely get so happy. What's your nickname? ओके जो लोग मेरे साथ बहुत टाइम पहले से है या जो मेरी मॉम को बहुत टाइम पहले से फॉलो करते हैं, उनको पता है कि हैव अ लॉट ऑफ निकनेम्स. जोजो फिर जो टेडी बेयर. These are the top 4 nicknames that I absolutely love. And there are a lot of other nicknames, but I really like Zoe as well. It's cute. So I'll consider these as my top 5 favorite nicknames. How are you in real life? Oh, okay. It honestly depends on the सामने वाला person. मैं लोगों को वैसे तो अच्छे से ही treat करती हूँ. Even if you do me wrong, I'll treat you well because मैं नहीं grudges hold करती and I don't really believe in taking revenge. मैं अल्लाह पे छोड़ देती हूँ because he's the one who's watching, and this is something that my mom has taught me, that if anyone does you wrong, अल्लाह देख रहा है, तो वो obviously not gonna let that thing go. If someone is genuinely hurting you, they're gonna pay for it. I just let go because it's not worth my energy and my time. So I genuinely do not care. Even if you say anything about me, I really don't care. If I had to explain, I would say that my intentions towards people are always pure. So I'm a really chill person like that. All the time you looking fresh and active. Iska kya raaz hai? Guys, I'm a very lazy person and I procrastinate so much. I could literally sleep all day. मैं literally एक बार 21 hours सो चुकी हूँ. That is how much I can sleep. I am not fresh and active. I mean, yes, I am. I have the sunshine and golden retriever personality, but at the same time, I'm a really lazy person as well. And I don't know, it's just in me. I love being active and I like being busy. I need a water break. Keep yourself hydrated, girlies. So I had asked dad कि मेरे को वो आइसक्रीम ला के दे, एंड ब्लॉग के चक्कर में आई डेंट ईट इट. तो आइसक्रीम का कुछ इस तरह हाल हो गया है. इट हैज़ मेल्टेड एंड इट्स वाटरी नाउ. अब मुझे दूसरी आइसक्रीम लेनी पड़ेगी. Where do you get your accessories from and from which app do you edit? I get my accessories from anywhere. Like मुझे जहाँ भी कुछ अच्छा दिख जाता है मैं वहाँ से ले लेती हूँ. Whatever I feel like I like it, मैं ले लेती हूँ. Whether it's clothes, whether it's accessories और कुछ भी, सब मेरा मन किया तो मैं ले लेती हूँ. एंड आई एडिट फ्रॉम इन शॉर्ट्स, तो मैं ये व्लॉग भी उधर से एडिट करती हूँ, मैं मेरे रील्स भी इन शॉर्ट पे से ही एडिट करती हूँ.
एंड आई एम फाइनली डन. और मैंने जितने भी सेव करके रखे थे वो सारे मैंने आंसर कर लिए है. ओह गॉड, ये आधा घंटा हो गया, आधे घंटे से भी ज़्यादा बड़ा व्लॉग हो गया है मेरा. अब मैं इसको कैसे एडिट करके कैसे पोस्ट करूँगी. अब पूरा व्लॉग देखो. हाँ गाइस, अब मैंने इतने सारे क्वेश्चंस आंसर किए हैं, तो देख लेना बस.
So this is it for this video, and I hope you guys liked it, and I hope I answered all your questions. मैंने try किया है कि मैं सब cover up कर पाऊँ. So that's that, and yes, I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care, bye, and do subscribe. Okay, so by the way, this is the PJ set, and it's like really cute. It has bows on it and it screams Zoya, so it's really Zoya core, so I really love it. And yeah, this corset I have ordered from Savannah का डब्बा उधर पड़ा हुआ है. दैट सवाना का डब्बा मैंने सवाना से ऑर्डर किया है. एंड इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो आई विल गिव यू गाइज अ सवाना हॉल एज वेल, क्योंकि मैंने इतनी सारी चीज़ें मंगाई है. सो आई वांट टू शो यू गाइज व्हाट आई ऑर्डर्ड. सो दैट्स इट, बाय. By the way, I still have to decide an outro and intro. Bye.